Hello everyone, in this lecture we will learn about one more data type, that is set. Sets are used in Python for storing multiple items in a single variable. Sets are written with curly brackets. A set is a collection of unique data, that means elements within a set cannot be duplicated. So let us see with an example. First let us go to our PyCharm. Let me create a new Python file, and we will name it as learn set. Okay. First we will create one set. Okay. Let me name it as employee underscore id is equal to, we will give some value to it, let us say 109, 260, 305, 428, 511. You can give any value, that is fine. Then we will try to print it, print employee underscore id. Okay. Let me try to execute it. So here we see whatever values we added here, same got printed here. We are also seeing one thing, that this order is not same, we will talk about it. So here we created a set of employees where employee IDs are unique. You know, in a company there will be multiple employees and each employee will have a different employee ID. It cannot be same for two different employees. Employee ID is always unique, that is why I gave this example. Okay. So you need to remember, values inside a set is always unique. Okay. One more thing, a set can have any number of items. Okay. And they may be of different data types also, like integer, float, tuple, string. Okay. But a set cannot have mutable elements like list, set or dictionaries. Okay. So let us create a set which will have different type of elements. Okay. Let me create employee. Okay. And here what we will have? We will have, let us say, a name Sanjay. Okay. And let us say his employee ID is 105. Similarly, we will have another employee, let us say Ramesh, and his employee ID is something else, let us say 238. Okay. Similarly, one more employee, let us say Sonali. Okay. And his her employee ID is 311. Okay. And then we will print it, print employee. See, this got printed. So here if you will notice, when we are printing it, we see output in a different order. This is because set has no particular order. So sets are unordered. We cannot be sure in which order the items will appear. Okay. Every time when you run, it can be different. That is why we cannot do indexing in set, because that does not make any sense. If the order is not proper, indexing does not make any sense. That is why we do not do indexing in set. Now let us see what will happen when we try to include a duplicate item in a set. Okay. So here you have different employee IDs. Let us say we will have a duplicate entry 511. Okay. What will happen? Let me execute it. See, still it is printing same 511. Okay. Though we have 336 elements here, it is printing only 5 things. Okay. That means a set cannot contain duplicate values. Okay. One more important thing, set is immutable or unchangeable. That means we cannot change the items after the set has been created. So once a set is created, you cannot change its items, but you can remove items, add items, you can do all those things, right. So let us see how we can do it. So for now let me remove this duplicate value, and here what we will do, we will employee ID dot add. Okay. We will add a new value. Okay. Let us say 344. Okay. Anyway, it is not there, right. And let me print it again. So before and after we can see. And let me comment this. So, you will not get confused. Run. So, here you see before it was 3 to 5 items were there, now 6 items are there and this 344 got added it here. Okay. Similarly, if you want to remove, all right, let me comment out this, and here what you can do, you can write employee underscore id dot remove. Okay. And what you want to remove, let us say you want to remove this 260. Okay. Again run it. See, 260 got removed, earlier 260 was there, now 260 got removed. So, using add method we can add, and using remove method we can remove something from the set. Okay. Similarly, we can use length method to find the number of elements present in a set. So, to do that, what you will do, let me comment out this one and we will just write print length of the set is, you can say, length of the this employee underscore id. Okay, let me execute it. So, here you see length of the set is 5. Similarly, there are some more methods also, right? Max method, min method, sum method. Max method will find you the largest item in the set. Min method will find you the smallest item in the set. Sum method will return you sum of all the elements in the set. So, if I will show you that, right, let me just copy this and put it here, and here what I will write max, min, here I will put sum, and the method is max, then min, and here it is sum. Okay, let me just execute. See, max is 511, min is 109 and sum of the set is 1613. If you will do the addition, it will give you this. Okay. So, there are some more methods also, we will learn about it when we need it. Okay. So, what and all we learnt in this lecture? We understood what is set. Sets are used in Python for storing multiple items in a single variable. A set is a collection of unique data, meaning that elements within a set cannot be duplicated. Sets are unordered, so you cannot be sure in which order the items will appear. Set items are unchangeable. Once a set is created, we cannot change its item, but we can remove items and add new items. We saw with an example, right? A set can have any number of items and they may be of different types. Okay. We saw all these things with examples also. That is all for this lecture. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.